Next, I request Kunal Shah to welcome Shri Charan Singh Thakurji. And last but not the least, I request Mr. R.K. Narayan to welcome I.S. Sanjay Meena ji, Honorable Commissioner NMR. Meena sir नहीं आए हैं? Are we done?
इसका नाम लिया था विपिन ईटन करके एक बार फिर
We also have Mr. Vipin Itankar ji with us. Well, thank you so much, all the dignitaries, for joining us today. Once again, thank you so much. And now it's time to hear, of course, words from the special people present here. For the welcome address, I am inviting here Sri Alok Jain, Director, Blackstone Group.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Chief Minister, sir, Mukhyamantri, sir, Bawan Pule, sir, Ashish, sir, MLA, sir, Collector, sir, everyone on the stage, all the guests, press, everyone who has built this park, who has been involved, architect, designer, everyone, a warm welcome to the ceremony. I would start by saying, this was a quote in John F. Kennedy's office, that American roads are not good because America is rich. America is rich because American roads are good. This is so true about infrastructure. If your infrastructure is good, the country becomes rich, the country becomes richer. And if we see even today, America, which is the richest country, want to have as much manufacturing within their country. They want to build themselves. China wants to build themselves. Everybody is competing. What was previously oil, जो पहले oil था या AI है, वो आज AI है और manufacturing है. जो एक समय पे oil था, agriculture था, that everybody wanted to be dependent on it, self-dependent on it. They wanted to be sovereign in it. Today, that is manufacturing, supply chain, AI. And I think, with what we are trying to jointly do here, with some of which you can witness here, and what we are being supported by the able government, both at center, both at state, everybody here, the bureaucracy. I think people are trying to make that happen, that we become, if not China, at least somewhere equal to China, and in some future we actually exceed China. So I sort of, thank everyone for coming here and witness firsthand that if we do the right job, we can create world-class infrastructure, which can get really world-class tenants, world-class industries here, which can then probably, this park will create maybe 10,000 jobs. And if you think about it, the GDP multiplier is far more than maybe just a logistic park. If there were logistic park, maybe 10,000 people will get jobs. In industrial parks, not just 10,000 people will get jobs. The tax comes to India. There is a revenue multiplier. There is a GDP multiplier. It's a massive advantage. So I welcome all of you. Your blessings have been integral part of it. Your help has been integral part of it. Without taking much time, welcome everyone. Please keep supporting us. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much.
10,000 in the Nagpur region. Within this platform, over 3,000 crore rupees is being deployed across 4 world-class industrial parks in Nagpur, with a built-up potential of nearly 6 million square feet. Across Maharashtra, the platform spans nearly 10 million square feet, forming a structured industrial network across Nagpur, Pune and the Mumbai region. strategically aligned with JNPT, the upcoming Vadhavan port, major expressways, freight corridors, and western export gateways. Every XCO industrial park is built for operational readiness, combining plug-and-play infrastructure, built to suit capability, and compliance-led planning to reduce occupation timelines for industrial operations. As the platform expands, its next phase takes shape in Nagpur, XCO Advanced Industrial Park. A 10 lakh square foot advanced industrial development supporting precision manufacturing, heavy engineering, and high capacity storage structured for large format operations within a disciplined, compliance-led institutional framework. Engineered with intelligent monitoring and AI-enabled security systems, resilient.
Yeah, your presence here today means more to us than any inauguration or ceremony ever could. Because your presence is not a formality, it is a validation. A validation that we are building here matters to Nagpur and to Maharashtra. Let me share with you, the distinguished audience, what has happened over the last 12 months. 1 year ago, we signed a memorandum of understanding with the government of Maharashtra for an FDI-backed investment commitment of over 8,000 crores in partnership with Blackstone to develop multiple Grade A industrial logistic parks across our magnetic state. On 15 November 2025, just 4 months after the MOU, our Honorable Chief Minister himself performed the Bhumi Pujan for Park 1 North on the Samruddhi Expressway with an FDI-backed investment of 1,100 crores. That park will create job opportunities to 4,500 additional people. Currently, 3,000 people are already working here. Today, barely 4 months later, we are here again for the second groundbreaking of XSI Advanced Industrial Park on Amravati Expressway, Amravati Highway, with an FDI investment of around 700 crores. And 2 more projects, one at Nagpur Butibori and one at Vadhavan Nagar in the heart of our city, I lined up for inauguration by you, Bhaiya. So what I mean to say is, this is what is possible when government leadership is decisive, when policy is stable, and when approvals move at the speed of ambition. I want to say something from the heart. Bhaiya, whatever we are able to achieve did not happen because of us alone. It was made possible because you created the ecosystem that made it possible. The Samruddhi Expressway, your vision. Maharashtra Industrial and Logistic Policy, your policy. Maitri 2.0, single window ecosystem. Multiple advantageous, governance put forth by the leader of the state, which is Shri Devendraji Fadnavis. When the Chief Minister of a state personally tracks industrial projects, ensures approval move, personally shows up at the groundbreaking, replies to your every text message, the global capital moves and the global capital delivers. Let me speak what it means for the place of Nagpur. This industrial park alone will generate approximately 2,500 direct and indirect employment opportunities for local communities. Across all our Nagpur projects, and while XSI investment spanning around 2,200 crores will create 10,000 job opportunities. I will not take much of your time. I would now like to invite my Prerna Sutra, my motivation, and everybody's favorite, Shri Devendra Bhaiya. Give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
मेरे साथी श्री चंद्रशेखर बावनकुळे जी, आशीष जायसवाल जी, आशीष देशमुख जी, चरण सिंह ठाकुर जी, आशीष अग्रवाल जी, विपिन इटनकर जी, आलोक जैन जी, आर के नारायण जी, श्रीमती पूजा मलिक, यहाँ उपस्थित सभी महानुभाव और उपस्थित बहनों और भाइयों, मैं आशीष अग्रवाल जी को दिल से बधाई देना चाहता हूं कि उन्होंने जो वादा किया था पिछले उद्घाटन पर, पिछले भूमि पूजन पर, बहुत कम समय में उस वादे को पूरा करते हुए ये इंडस्ट्रियल पार्क का भूमि पूजन उन्होंने आयोजित किया और ये फैसिलिटी कैसी होगी इसका फ्लेवर हम लोग जहां बैठे हैं उस फैसिलिटी को देखकर हम सभी को मिल रहा है। इसलिए मैं आशीष जी आपका बहुत दिल से अभिनंदन करना चाहता हूं, आपको बधाई देना चाहता हूं। I would also like to thank Blackstone for supporting this venture and standing like a rock or stone behind Exio and Ashish in all his ventures. हम सभी लोग जानते हैं कि मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ये पूरे तरीके से रीशेप हो रहा है और आज हम लोगों ने मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के क्षेत्र में जिन फैक्ट्रीज को देखा था, जिनकी संकल्पना की थी, अब इनोवेशन और ऑटोमेशन के कारण उसमें बहुत बदलाव आ रहा है और विशेष रूप से एडवांस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ये आज के जमाने का मंत्र है, जिसमें बहुत प्रिसीशन के साथ इनोवेशन, सस्टेनेबिलिटी और ऑटोमेशन इनको एकत्रित करते हुए मैन्युफैक्चरिंग को नेक्स्ट स्केल पर लिया गया है और विशेष रूप से एआई और उस पर आधारित जो टेक्नोलॉजीज है वो इस क्षेत्र को बहुत बड़े पैमाने पर बदल रही है। आज हम सब लोग जानते हैं कि अलग अलग टेक्नोलॉजीज के कारण मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कहीं और होता है, डिजाइन और कमांड ये कहीं और से दी जाती है। आज जब हम लोग ग्लोबल कैपेबिलिटी सेंटर्स देखते हैं तो बड़ा आश्चर्य होता है कि मैन्युफैक्चरिंग किस लेवल पर गया है और मैं ऐसा मानता हूं कि आज जब हम दुनिया की चौथी सबसे बड़ी अर्थव्यवस्था बने हैं, तीसरी अर्थव्यवस्था की ओर हम लोगों ने अपना प्रवास शुरू कर दिया है, ऐसे समय मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर ये हमारे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। हमारे देश को आगे ले जाने के लिए विशेष रूप से जब दुनिया की सप्लाई चेन्स जियोपॉलिटिकल कारणों से बहुत बड़े पैमाने पर शिफ्ट हो रही है, हमारी सप्लाई चेन्स अब वेपनाइज भी हो रही है, ऐसे समय भारत जैसा लोकतांत्रिक देश ये अगर ग्लोबल सप्लाई चेन को आधार के रूप में हम लोग खड़ा कर पाएंगे और उस दिशा में अपनी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग को ले पाएंगे, तो मुझे लगता है कि हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी का जो सपना है विकसित भारत का, उसको हम निश्चित रूप से पूरा कर पाएंगे और उसकी ओर बढ़ने का एक बहुत सशक्त तरीका ये आज जिस प्रकार के इंडस्ट्रियल पार्क का हम लोगों ने भूमि पूजन किया है, ये एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण उसका उदाहरण है, क्योंकि अब प्लग एंड प्ले फैसिलिटी जहां होगी वही ग्लोबल कैपिटल्स जाएंगे, वहीं पर सप्लाई चेन तैयार होगी। और मुझे इस बात की खुशी है कि जब आशीष लॉजिस्टिक्स में एक अच्छा काम कर रहे थे और नागपुर में भी उन्होंने अच्छा काम किया था, तो मैंने उनको कहा कि आशीष, आप अच्छा काम तो कर रहे हो, आप एक्सपांड भी करना चाहते हो और आपको पुणे, मुंबई या बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी भी है, लेकिन उस अपॉर्चुनिटी के साथ साथ आपने ध्यान में रखना चाहिए कि नागपुर आपकी कर्मभूमि है, जन्मभूमि है।